everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And again, my name is Tiffany Kihaton, and today I will be your guide through this tutorial on sinking fund. In this tutorial, we will cover the basic of sinking funds, including the definition, purposes, and key concepts. We will also provide a step-by-step guiding on how to create a sinking fund schedule in Excel. But first, let us differentiate what is the difference between the amortization and sinking fund. So, the amortization is the process of paying a debt over time through regular payments, while the sinking fund, on the other hand, are set aside to pay off debt or fund of future expense. While both involve setting aside money for future payments, amortization involves paying off a specific debt, while the sinking fund can be used for various purposes. So here is my example. So a college student wants to start saving for graduate school tuition, which they expect to pay in 7 years. The estimated cost of tuition is 800,000 pesos. If the student can earn a nominal rate of 5% compounded quarterly on their savings, how much should they deposit into the sinking fund each quarter in order to have enough money saved for tuition? So here is our given. So the future value is 800,000 pesos. And for our nominal rate is 5% or 0.05 in decimal. And for our times is 7, which is 7 years. And for our M is 4, which is compounded quarterly. And for I is equal to J over M. So is equal to, our J here is 0.05. So 0.05 over 4. So our M here is 4. So is equal to 0.0125. So to get the N, so time times M. So the time here is 7 and the M here is 4. So 7 times 4 equals 28. So we need to get the R. So the formula for that, for sinking fund, is R is equal to S times I over 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. So all we need to do is to substitute the future value, the interest, and the N, and then we need to solve. And the answer for that is 24,000, 38.90628. To check our answer, so we need to use the Excel. So our NPER here is 28 period. So put a 28. And for our interest, which is 0.0125. And then for our present value is 0. And for our PMT, which is 24,000, 628. And then for our future value, so put a equal sign and then FV, then open parentheses, then click the interest, and then comma, and then the input, and then the PMT, and then the PV, and then put a 0 at the end, and then close parentheses. So we need to put a negative here in C4 to get the future value, which is the 800,000 pesos. So click enter. So there, the future value and the future value here. So our answer is correct. So now let us move on to sinking fund schedule using the Excel. So first, to get the period, so put a 1 here, and then click the dot, then drag down, and then click this and fill series. So since our period here is 28, so we need to drag down again until reach 28, and then there. So our beginning balance for our first period is 0, and our PMT here is click equal sign and then click the PMT at the top and then enter. To get the interest, so our interest here is 0. Then our increase fund is equal sign and then the PMT again. And for our sinking fund is equal sign and the PMT again. So our beginning balance for our second periods is the the sinking fund for our first period. So click equal sign and then click this and then enter. And to get the PMT, so equal sign and then click the PMT at the top and then enter. So to get the interest, so equal sign and then the beginning balance times the interest in the top and then enter. And to get the increase fund, so equal sign and then PMT plus the interest of the second period and then enter. And to get the sinking fund of the second period, so equal sign and then click the beginning balance and then plus the increase fund of the second period and then enter. So same process again and then equal sign and to get the beginning balance is the sinking fund of the second period. So click this sinking fund and then enter and then to get the PMT, so equal sign and then PMT at the top. So we need to put a dollar sign here at the left side of C and then between the C and 4 put a dollar sign. So enter and then interest, so equal sign and then the beginning balance and then times the interest of the top and again put a dollar sign here at the left side of C and the between C and 2. So enter and then to get the increase fund, so equals, so PMT plus the interest of the third period and enter. And to get the sinking fund, so again equal sign and then the beginning balance of third period plus the increase fund of the third period, so enter. So same process again and again to reach the 28th period, but there's an easy way to get that. We need to highlight 3, highlight this and click this dot, drag down until reach 28th period and then there. So that's it. That's how we create a sinking fund schedule using Excel. So, mastering sinking fund schedule in Excel is valuable skills that can help individuals effectively managing their finances. By learning how to create and utilize sinking fund schedules, individuals can better plan for future expenses and avoid financial strain. So, I encourage you to practice creating sinking fund schedule in Excel and to explore the additional features on your own by experimenting with different formulas, formatting options, and data analysis tools. You can further enhance your financial management skills and gain a deeper understanding of how sinking fund work. So this is the end of my tutorial video. I hope you've learned something about it and thank you for watching.